In this video, we'll see how the WhatsApp bot can ask certain questions to the customers, also answer their basic queries, and then we basically send them to the landing page for final conversion. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to plan the bot or the questionnaire in a document, uh, maybe on a pen and paper, and then you can decide what all questions that you want to ask and what is the data that you want to save inside the CRM, so that you can export it in future. Also you can create an automated nurturing broadcast on the contacts depending upon the questions that they have answered. So I'm just creating few custom fields that I'll be asking as questions to the customers, and the responses will be basically saved in the custom field. So the first is type or user type, and the second is advertising budget. So when you create an advertisement, click to WhatsApp ads, you'll get the option to basically define some predefined questions or messages that the customer will see in the WhatsApp when they are coming from the advertisement from the Facebook or Insta ads. So we'll basically define flows depending upon the keywords in the messages that you have set. So you'll have to click on automations and then click on workflow, then click on create a workflow. Here I'll basically write the workflow name as, and you need to select workflow type as a bot flow. Here you need to define the trigger. So it will be a WhatsApp bot, and then the trigger is basically based on a keyword. So you need to select your channel, and then you can define the incoming message keywords. So if the incoming message contains ads, or if the incoming message contains WA ads bot, then this particular bot flow will get started, will get triggered, and then in the next step you'll see there are various type of actions available. So first is a send message block, second is a ask question block. So how it works is, the send, in case of send message block, the bot won't wait for any reply from the customer, rather it will send the message that you have defined in the block and then move to the next block. So this should be something like hi, and to automatically insert the WhatsApp name of the lead, you can select this name option. So the first block here is more of a welcome message, and then you can ask some questions. So if you want to ask the question by giving an option, button based or list based option to the customer, you can simply select question and then interactive message, and then you can define the body text as well as you can add the buttons here. Now if you want to store this reply, the button based reply, to the CRM, so you can send nurturing follow up messages for the next 3 days without any additional cost, you have the option here to basically save this response to and then you can select the custom field, that is the user type, then save question. Now in case you want to have different questions further ahead depending upon what user has replied, you can simply click on this particular block. So if the user is clicking on advertising agency, he'll get this message here that I'm going to send, I mean this question here. And if the user selects end user, then he'll get a different question altogether. And then I want to store the reply to the budget custom field. Now if the user here selects an end user option, then I want to send a different type of message. And then I want to save the response to the advertising budget field. Now next I want to send a message only to the agency lead and to the end user I want to send a different message. So now what has happened is, as soon as a lead has messaged on our WhatsApp number through the Facebook or Instagram advertisement, we have ran an automated bot, and also I have asked few questions, that is only 2 questions to the lead, that will help me nurture them ahead. So these questions are more of a validatory questions. If the lead tends to drop off anywhere between here, then I know that this lead might not be a quality lead. So these can also work as a qualifying factor for you to work on them ahead. And then after this you need to click on save workflow and then enable the workflow. So this way you're basically creating a WhatsApp bot for your click to WhatsApp ads, and validating the lead. In the next video, you can see how to nurture these leads based on the responses that will get saved in the custom field. So we have option of repeated broadcast, which will help you set an automated flow to nurture all the leads depending upon their replies. Thank you.